What's up, you guys? Today's video is going to be another Halloween tutorial, and this look was actually brought to you by Spirit Halloween. I got the opportunity to work with Spirit last year for my Voodoo Doll Halloween makeup tutorial, and so I'm super excited that they reached out and wanted to work with me again this year. So this year I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply the appliances from Spirit Halloween stores. In this tutorial specifically, I'm showing you how to use these small pointed ears. In another video, I'll be showing you guys how to apply this sightless appliance as well. So really quick, for those of you who've never been to a Spirit Halloween store before, they're basically a one-stop shop for everything Halloween. They have everything from costumes to decor, party goods, accessories. Going to the store is just a really fun experience, and they have something for everybody, so for infants, toddlers, children, teens, and adults. So you guys will be able to visit your local Spirit Halloween store to find the products that I used in this video. You can find a store near you at spirithalloween.com. And just like last year, Spirit Halloween is offering you guys a 20% off coupon for a single item, which you can find in the description box down below. So I think that's everything. Let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. First, I'll be starting off with these small pointed ears and some Spirit gum adhesive. First, I'm just going to put the ears on with no adhesive just to make sure I like the way that they're laying. And since I'm going to be wearing a wig, I'm not going to trim these ears, but if you're not going to wear a wig, you might want to trim them down just a bit to fit your face. So on clean skin, I'm applying the Spirit gum adhesive, and I'm just going to apply that to my face and my ear, and then I'm going to wait for it to dry down a little bit and get tacky before placing the appliance on. All you have to do is pull it over your ear and tap down over the adhesive, and you'll be good to go. These ears are not going to budge. The Spirit appliances are also super easy to remove. Just use some of the Spirit gum adhesive remover and you'll be good to go. To blend my new ears in with my actual skin, I'm going to be applying my foundation. And I'm just rubbing this all over the ear. It doesn't cover it up completely, but that's fine because I'm going to go in later with some color. Starting my makeup, I'm just going to apply some dark green eyeshadow as well as some light green eyeshadow and blend that out. On top, I'm adding some gold glitter. And I'm just really packing that glitter on for this look. Going through my brows, I didn't want to fill them in, so I'm just taking some brow gel and brushing them up for a really natural bushy look. And then I'll just be warming up my face with a little bit of bronzer and then a lot of blush. This was my favorite part of this look besides my cute ears. So I'm adding blush to my cheeks and my nose. Going back in with some green shadow on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to add some faux freckles. So for this, I'm just taking a brown eyeshadow and tapping this all over. And eventually I'm adding some gold glitter to the freckles as well. The gold glitter freckles are so cute in pictures. To finish up the eyes, I'm just adding some mascara. And to finish up the face, I'm just adding some highlighter. And then going back to the ears, I'm going to be adding green shadow to the tips of the ears as well. Once the pointed part of the ears is green, I'm going back in with some gold glitter, and that is pretty much it for these ears. For my lips, I'm just adding a nude gloss. And then I'm going to focus on my chest for a second, and I'm just adding some green eyeshadow all over the place, and I'm also going to add some highlighter and glitter as well. And that's it. I'm gonna go pop on my wig and fairy wings, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Spirit Halloween for partnering with me again this year. Don't forget to check the description box below for your 20% off coupon, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!